Assalamualaikum guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to update your Windows 10 or 11 without any Windows settings. From Windows settings, actually, when you try to go here in the Windows and security, you search for check for Windows updates, but it's not working. Then how you can do it by manually? Simply you need to go on the browser, then search for Google, because Google is the search engine that provide you the exact thing. Now here you need to type here the Windows Media Creation Tool and then hit enter. Now on the first website, the official one, microsoft.com, just go on it, and here you will get the further process. Now you can see Windows 10 November 2021 update. The update assistant can help you to update to the latest versions of Windows 10. To get started, click update now. So simply click here, it will provide you the updater. Just download it and then simply open it. Once you open it, user account control will appear. Click on yes. Once you have done all these settings, now you will get here, thank you for updating to the latest versions of the Windows 10. It's already updated on the latest version, but in your case, if it's not, then it will provide you the download button here, so you can simply update your Windows 10 without going into the Windows 10 setting, means if it's not working. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question or any suggestion for me, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.